welcome to the deep dive. Today we're digging into something pretty specific, actually.
Yeah.
The EnGenius DuraFon UHF-HC. It's a dual-mode radio phone.
Yes. Not your everyday desk phone, that's for sure.
Definitely not.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it's built for, well, tough conditions. Our mission today is to sort of figure out who really needs this thing and, why.
Well, the first thing to get is its core function. It's basically two devices in one rugged handset.
Okay.
It works as a long-range cordless phone, like connected to your phone system, and it's a UHF two-way radio.
UHF. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's really designed for what they call on-premises mobility, making sure people like managers, maintenance staff can stay in touch across a big facility.
So the main benefit then is bridging communication. Someone can take a regular phone call
Exactly.
and then, bam, switch over and talk to the team on their radios instantly.
Precisely. That's the core value proposition, seamless switching between those two worlds.
Okay, but that sounds like it might involve some trade-offs. Does having both capabilities, dilute the performance?
Yeah.
Like range or maybe battery life compared to just a dedicated radio?
That's a really good question. The key here is the choice of UHF ultra-high frequency.
Right.
Unlike, say, your typical Wi-Fi or even some other radio bands, UHF is known for its ability to penetrate materials. Think thick concrete walls, steel structures.
Ah, so warehouses, factories.
Exactly. Places where normal signals just, well, die. So they've prioritized that reliable connection and range because communication failure in those places is just not an option.
Makes sense. Built to cut through the noise and the physical barriers. Let's talk about flexibility then. It's more than just a basic walkie-talkie, right? Not just push-to-talk.
Correct. You get the standard UHF broadcast, so yes, you can talk to other compatible UHF radios nearby.
Okay.
But it also has these DuraFon-specific features. You can make private one-to-one intercom calls to other DuraFon handsets on your system.
Secure calls.
Yeah, and you can do group broadcasts just to your internal team, so it adds layers of communication beyond just open radio channels. More structured, more secure options.
Got it. And since it's meant for tough spots, let's look at that durability. It mentions IP55 compliance. What does that really mean practically for someone using it?
Right, IP55. The first 5.3 means it's protected against dust. Ingress, not totally sealed, but enough protection that dust won't stop it working. Crucial in, dusty environments like construction or manufacturing.
Okay. And the second 5?
That means it can handle low-pressure water jets from any direction. So think rain, splashes, even someone hosing down equipment nearby. It shouldn't fry the device. It's built for places where things aren't always clean and dry.
And that ruggedness is backed up by the temperature specs too, right? It operates from 14 degrees Fahrenheit up to 140 Fahrenheit.
Yeah, quite a range. So from walk-in freezers, potentially, all the way up to near hot machinery or maybe a loading dock in the summer sun. It's meant to keep working.
So to make all that happen, the hardware must be pretty solid. What are the key specs there?
Well, it's a portable unit, obviously, a 5-channel UHF radio system. It has a full keypad, which is useful for phone functions.
And the PTT button for radio.
Exactly. Plus practical things like a vibrating alert, for noisy places, and a basic monochrome LCD for caller ID. Simple, but functional.
What about power? Battery life is always key in these mobile roles.
It uses a lithium-ion battery, 2,300 milliamp capacity. They rate it for up to 6 hours of talk time.
Okay, enough for a shift maybe.
Should be, for typical use, yeah.
Yeah.
And the recharge time is about 4 hours, so it can be ready for the next shift.
Okay, let's switch to the commercial side for a second. This isn't consumer pricing. It's listed around $690.
Yeah, $689.61, currently shown by one vendor, HDTV Supply. That price definitely reflects the specialized nature, the rugged build, the dual tech.
It also mentions free U.S. shipping and a 1-year warranty.
Standard stuff for business or industrial gear. That warranty underscores it's meant as a durable tool, not something disposable. They even mention a 5% discount for check or wire transfer, typical for B2B sales.
All right, so let's try and wrap this up. We asked who needs this. It's clear it's not for your average office worker.
Absolutely not. This is essential infrastructure, not a convenience item. When you look at the whole package, the security, the IP55 rating, the wide temperature range, and that crucial dual mode function.
Phone and UHF radio in one.
Yes. Especially the UHF for penetrating structures. It becomes vital in places where communication failure is, well, catastrophic. Think large industrial plants, refineries, maybe big logistics hubs, even hospital maintenance in complex buildings,
Right.
Places where downtime or a safety issue due to bad communication costs a fortune or worse.
That really clarifies it. It's about operational certainty in challenging places. Okay, final thought then for you listening. Given this blend of secure telephony, ruggedness, and dedicated UHF radio, where else might you find this? Think beyond the obvious factory floor, maybe emergency command posts, or highly secure research facilities, or even something more extreme like offshore platforms. Where does that need for absolutely reliable blended communication become paramount? Something to think about.